This is our 2014 Lil Snoozy. Great little trailer. We've really enjoyed owning it. Done a lot of modifications. If you look inside, we have redone the bed area. Still got a little to do, but this is our new Hest mattress. It's a portable camping mattress, seems comfortable. And our Camco springs that we'll be talking about now. The Camco springs, the plastic springs that are being used, that are to be used on the bed underneath the mattress of our camper. And so this is what they look like. They're fairly firm. They're supposed to be, I think 86 of these have to be screwed to the floor. And there's also supposed to be 16 of the softer ones. Here is an example of the softer one. I can crush it down pretty good. There's 16 of these. These work similar to the Froley system. Here are the instructions. It shows you how to lay them out. It says drill pilot holes. Shows the configuration in the bed where to put the softer ones. At first I thought there was not any screws, but there is a package of screws on the bottom here. So let's see how that works. The directions tell you to either use the grid enclosed in the box or to draw a grid on your bed frame and pre-drill it, which would probably be a good idea if you were using a hand screwdriver as they show in their directions. But in my case, I'm using an impact driver. I'm getting the back row as straight as I can I'm using a little measuring stick, and I'm opening them up a little wider than what they suggest because I want a softer bed. I'm going to put the softer ones where my wife's shoulders would be, and then on my side I'm going to put the softer ones where my hip would be because I always have trouble with that. And then our Hest mattress is going to go on top of this. So I'm just using a little impact driver and I'm putting them on there, and it goes, once you get them lined up, it goes in pretty fast, and we'll see how it works. I decided to add another row at the back, so I just cut this strip because my lid it raises is about a ½ inch thick. This was a quarter, so it should equalize out. I'm just going to slide that in the back and screw her down. So here we are, all finished up. Hopefully it'll exceed our expectations, and we will make another short video after we've used it a few times. And thank you for watching, and hit the subscribe button.